Holiday.
Spit bars, that's what I do. Drink cough syrup, got attitude. And I'm with the gratitude, cause that shit kicking in and feeling real good. I do shit cause I should. Therapeutic value, not misunderstood. In the fucking neighborhood, rapping this shit like it was a bag full of drugs, you bitch. On what the practice is, I uplift and get in the right mood. Call that getting psyched too. Yeah, I'm with that IQ. Release rhymes, I do. Eating rhymes up like some iFood. This some iPhone shit. Yeah, I'm with that voice tone, bitch. I'm with the shit. Love into so shit tips. MC Grant, I'm in this mix. I pick what I pick, you gotta clit, I gotta dig. Yeah, I'm with that shit. More level building, careful feeling, yeah, it's so appealing. Trying to earn way more than just $1 million, cause there's forever. I trying to earn that cheddar as in moolah. I am not a cow, I dive on